What's up, lovely viewers and subscribers? Welcome back to another video. Now today we'll be making a homemade pizza. The full measurement will be listed in the description box. But before we get started, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more amazing video, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you'll be notified each time I upload a new video. Also, you could leave a comment in the comment section telling me what recipe you want to see me try next. So let's get started. Now to my mixing bowl, I'm gonna add my warm water, some sugar, some salt. We're gonna give this a mix. We're gonna add 1 cup of flour and these. Now guys, here I'm using pizza yeast, but active dry yeast or instant yeast work just as well. We're gonna mix this on low for about a minute. Now it's time to add the remainder of our flour. Here guys, I'm using all-purpose flour, but if you have bread flour, it works fine too. We're gonna combine the dry and the wet together. Now we're gonna add our oil. Here I'm adding olive oil, but you could use vegetable oil. We're gonna mix this together until the bowl becomes clean. Now in that same bowl, I'm gonna spray it and put the dough in it and allow it to sit for about 15 to 20 minutes. Now guys, when you use this type of yeast, you could roll out the dough and add your toppings and go ahead, but I have time, so I'm gonna let this sit for about half an hour. We're gonna cover with a dish towel and set it aside. And now the dough has somewhat risen 2 times its size. It's time to roll it out. But before we roll it out, we're gonna prepare our pizza pan. So here I'm dusting my pizza pan with some cornmeal and some flour lightly. Now this is to ensure that the pizza don't sweat and let it stick to the pan. We want the pizza to release from the pan fairly easily. Now I'm gonna make two pizza. I'm gonna make a thinner crust pizza and a kind of thick pizza. Here is where you can customize your pizza to the size and thickness that you want. Now guys, this don't have to be perfect. Here I am stretching the dough and getting a wider surface to fit the pan properly. And as I said before, this doesn't have to be perfect. It's homemade. This is where you have fun. Enjoy yourself. And here I am repeating the same process for the other one. Now it's time to top our pizza. Now guys, here I'm using pasta sauce, but if you have pizza sauce, you could use it. And if you want, and also you could make your own from scratch and use it as well. Here I have a blend of Swiss cheese and mozzarella, but you could do whatever blend you like, as long as it's a pizza kind of cheese, a cheese that stretches. And this pizza is for the meat lover. So here you could put whatever meat you have. If you have bacon, you could put it on it. If you have ham, leftover chicken, or you could actually cook up some chicken breast just for this purpose. Whatever you have, you put it on it. It's your personal pizza. Here I'm actually putting some leftover sesame chicken that I had. Now it's time for the veggie pizza. I'm going to repeat the same steps. And here guys, you could also put whatever veggies you have that you want to put on your pizza. You could incorporate any veggies that you want on your pizza. So you could add some jalapenos, some olives, pineapples. Yes guys, I said pineapples. Anything you want, you could put it on it. So here I'm adding some mushroom, some bell peppers, and some red onion. If you have white onion guys, it works fine. Now I'm going to bake these in a preheated oven of 450 degrees for 15 minutes. Guys, if you have a pizza stone, you could use that as well. So we're going to bake these for about 15 to 20 minutes. And there you have it guys, pizza up and ready. And let me tell you guys, this one went by really fast. Now look at that. Soft crust, stretchy cheese. Look at that stretch guys. And there you have it, your homemade pizza. And the veggie one came out just as awesome as the first one. So go ahead guys, give this recipe a try and let me know in the comment section what you think about it. Thanks for watching guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe, and see you in another video. Until next time, stay blessed.